namhlanje sikickstarte ama-Mayoral Games for Msunduzi Municipality. Sinamawadi awu-25 participating. Kahle kahle inhloso yethu enkulu, what it is to bring together young people of Msunduzi. Uthi namhlanje sidlala netball ne-soccer, but ekugcineni sekuwama-preparations lawa ukuthi somewhere ukuhamba konyaka we will be participating kuma-district games. From here we will select teams that will represent Msunduzi. Kahle kahle la kuyophelela khona kuma-Salga KZN Games ngo-December. Now everybody knows Msunduzi Municipality forms 60 to 70% of team Umgungundlovu masiya kuma-Salga. That is why siqala ukuzilungiselela kusenesikhathi, and the intention is to make sure ukuthi Umgungundlovu is well represented laphana. But everybody knows also we are seeing the best soccer here, we are seeing the best netball, and we believe these young people have got a future kwezemidlalo.